This is KnowledgeBus, a benchmarking solution from Mercato Solutions for Windows 8 as well as the Windows Phone. We've got a tile to start with. Tap on that. We can just log in with our details. Here we have the home page. We've got a Twitter feed with news. We've got a summary with price increases and decreases, new products and stock increases. We can expand for more information by clicking on the More button. We can scroll to the right and see summary details of your items that are in your lists and your items. You can scroll along the page to see your items, your lists, your frameworks, exchange rates and raw materials. You can click on any of the exchange rates and raw materials for further details. For example, just click on this one or that one. We also have, if you do a pinch, a semantic zoom, so that you can drill down and get straight to the item you'd like. Each of the items, except for the summary and your lists on the home page, can be collapsed. There are buttons there to collapse and expand. Or if you flick from the right, this is also controlled in your settings under options, and there's the sections you can turn on and off. Also from the right, you can use the search facility. We're going to search for D600. Here you have filter options. You can filter down by your own frameworks. If you flick from the bottom, you can filter by manufacturer, and there are other filters and sort options. You can, of course, just scroll along, or you can use a semantic zoom and go directly to the category. So we want digital cameras, and we can tap on the item to directly go through to the details page. Here you've got details of the product and price. You can scroll to the right and see stock and price history, as well as extended specification. You can snap down a semantic zoom to go directly to the categories. If we unclip the keyboard and put it into portrait mode, the content adapts, as does the semantic zoom. We can pin this item to the start page. And here, if we go to your start page, there's the pinned item. It takes us directly to the details page. Right, Snap View is also available on all pages. As you can see, content changes. You can also flick from the bottom and see that we can obviously unpin from the start page. You can also add this product to a list. Here you can select a list that already exists. So we can go to test 1. And we can add how many items we normally buy, for what price, and part numbers. And just click add. And here we are. It takes you to the list, and you can see all your products with your own margin details. And there's the product we just added. And again, you can click directly onto it. You can select it to remove this from the list. You can add it to the home page. So we can go back to the home page to see it's added on your home page. You can also go to the website and see that it's been added to the website. So everything you do in the app appears in the KnowledgeBus website. I will also show you this item in your lists. You can go there from the top navigation and scroll to test 1. We can click directly into that list, or click on the image to see a preview of all the items contained in that list. You can click on any item to go through to the details page. If you swipe from the right, you can get to the settings and go to Help, which will bring up a website to show you our help documentation. So that's KnowledgeBus for Windows 8. And here on the Windows Phone, we have everything that the Windows 8 app has. We have a summary with summary prices and summary information that expands to your summary details. We can scroll across your items, your lists, frameworks, and exchange rates and raw materials. We have a search facility, and we can search for the camera that we searched for on the Windows 8 app. So I'm searching for D600, and here you can see a nice long list of results. And we have filters. I can go to the category digital cameras, and here we have the camera that we found before. Click onto that, and we get summary details, specification, and history. If we go back to the search and we hold down, you get the option to add to a list. We can choose the list test 1, click save, and it takes you to the list, and there's the item we've just added. If we hold down again, you get a menu where we can pin the item to the phone start. There we'll be able to click directly into that item details. We can also pin to hub, and a small pin icon will appear on the item to say it's pinned. In the application bar, you can create a new list, go to your list, go to frameworks, as well as settings or log out. It also works in landscape mode. So all the features that are on the KnowledgeBus Windows 8 app are also available on the Windows Phone in your pocket. KnowledgeBus also comes as a web-based client. Anything you do on any of our applications is safely and securely stored in the cloud. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact Mercato Solutions.